Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ashima Tutorials. Today we learn about two sample t-tests or t-test for difference of mean. In this topic we have to test significance of difference of means of two normal population. As from topic हमें दो populations दी होंगी जिससे हमें t-test निकालना है difference of mean के लिए on the basis of independent samples. So we set up the hypothesis first as we studied earlier. Null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. As null hypothesis H naught is mu1 is equal to mu2 or we say that mu1 minus mu2 is equal to 0 and h1 mu1 is not equal to mu2, mu1 is greater than equal to mu2 और mu1 is less than equal to mu2. थ्री कंडीशंस बनती हैं. तो फर्स्ट कंडीशन जब इक्वल नहीं होंगे तो टू टेल टेस्ट. फॉर सेकेंड कंडीशन दिस इज राइट टेल टेस्ट एंड फॉर लास्ट कंडीशन इट इज लेफ्ट टेल टेस्ट. नाउ we have to find t statistics for difference of mean. Firstly we recognize the formula of single mean which is equal to t is equal to x bar minus mu over s over under root n or standard error of x bar. Now we derive the formula for difference of means. That means two populations are given. So two means are given. Then t statistics becomes x bar minus y bar minus mu1 minus mu2 standard error of x bar minus y bar. Where h naught is mu1 minus mu2 is equal to 0. Then t becomes x bar minus y bar standard error of x bar minus y bar which is equal to s under root 1 by n1 plus 1 by n2. As we know, population standard deviation sigma is equal and unknown. As S is standard deviation and x bar and y bar is average mean which is equal to 1 by n1 summation xi where I belongs to 1 to n and n1 is sample size. Similarly y bar now we have to find the value of s. So s square is equal to 1 by n minus 1 summation xi minus x bar square. I varies from 1 to n. This value is for single mean. But we study about difference of mean. So we have to find the formula for difference of mean. Then value becomes 1 by n1 minus 1 plus n2 minus 1 bracket chart summation xi minus x bar whole square. I varies from 1 to n1 and summation I varies from 1 to n2 yi minus y bar whole square. After solving, we get 1 by n1 plus n2 minus 2 and other term same as it is. After solving all this, we get n1 small s1 square plus n2 small s2 square over n1 plus n2 minus 2, where n1 plus n2 minus 2 is degree of freedom. Got it? In this example, two sample sizes are given, two population standard deviation are given, and two means are given. So given n1 equal to 10 and n2 is equal to 14, and normal population standard deviation s1 equal to 3.5 and s2 equal to 5.2, and means x1 bar equal to 20.3, x2 bar is equal to 18.6. Now we set up the hypothesis h naught as mu1 is equal to mu2 and h1 mu1 is not equal to mu2, which is condition of two-tailed test. Now T statistics becomes x1 bar minus x2 bar over s under root 1 by n1 plus 1 by n2, where s square is equal to n1 s1 square plus n2 s2 square over n1 plus n2 minus 2. Now substitute the values. We get value 22.7754. After taking under root of this, we get s is equal to 4.7723. Substitute all the values. We get the answer 0.8603. Now conclusion. Let alpha is equal to 5% and degree of freedom is equal to n1 plus n2 minus 2. After substituting all the values, we get 22. For finding value of t at 0.05 or 22, which is equal to 2.074, by comparing, we get 0.8603 is less than 2.074. Therefore, H naught is accepted. Hence, there is no difference between the mean of two populations.